Types of half cells or electrodes. There are 4 types of the electrodes: metal ion type, gas ion type, metal insoluble salt anion type, and fourth one is redox type. Here one more electrode I want to give, which is a modified form of the metal ion type, that is amalgam electrodes. It is a modified type of metal ion electrode in which metal sheet is replaced by metal amalgam. And this metal sheet is replaced by metal amalgam. That's why it is considered as a modified type of metal ion electrode. For example, sodium amalgam, cadmium amalgam. Two examples are given. Sodium amalgam, sodium in mercury at C1 molar concentration, Na plus C2 molar concentration, and one more electrode, cadmium amalgam electrode, Cd in mercury at C1 molar, Cd plus 2 at C2 molar concentration. Cathode reaction is Na plus will undergo reduction to form sodium amalgam. The electrode reaction E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by N. In place of N, number of electrons is 1 anyway. So 1 log 1 by Na plus concentration. If we take anode reaction, oxidation takes place at anode. Sodium in mercury gives rise to Na plus C2 molar concentration plus 1 electron. Then the next equation is E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by 1 log Na plus concentration. That is a next equation for sodium amalgam. The importance of these electrodes, that is amalgam electrodes, lies in the fact that active metals such as sodium and potassium, which as such would react with water, can be made reversible to their ions by dissolving them in mercury. The importance of these electrodes lies in the fact that active metals such as sodium and potassium, which as such would react with water, can be made reversible to their ions by dissolving them in a mercury. That is about amalgam electrodes.